Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, brings you the Salesian news across the globe. On 12th November, the team of the veteran club Don Bosco, VC Don Bosco Goma, celebrated its 9th anniversary with a program worthy of its Salesian spirituality. The group consists of men and women of all ages, the elderly, adults, young adults and children. It came to being from the Salesian Oratory at the Industrial Technical Institute of Goma, managed for many years by the Salesian brother Honarto Alonso. On the occasion of its first 9 years, the VC Don Bosco wanted to spend a day with the poorest among the poorest to share their challenges and suffering with them. The day began at the ITIG with a Thanksgiving Mass followed by a photo session. Then the group moved to Bulengo, one of the largest refugee camps just outside the city of Goma on the Goma-Sake Road. Here the situation is really dramatic and the camp offers a clear testimony of a long, cruel and complex war. People survive thanks to the help of some local and international NGOs, but health and safety conditions are lacking and young people do not even have the opportunity to study, thus ending up wandering. This is also no respect for the rules of social coexistence. The 7th meeting of Salesian school directors from Spain's Meru Help of Christians province SMX was held in Madrid on 21st, 22nd and 23rd of November to work on the key elements of management. The event, accompanied by Father Oscar Bortolom, National Coordinator of Salesian Schools, and Father Jordi Lexia, Delegate for Youth Ministry for the SMX province, was attended by more than 100 people from the various Salesian schools in the province. Father Miguel Canino, Provincial Coordinator of SMX Schools, presented the motivation of the meeting and shared its significance, in which the Salesian network, comprising of 59 schools with more than 50,000 students, 3,000 teachers and 600 members of administration and service personnel, is represented. Under the motto, Building Dreams, the first meeting of Salesians and laity of 2023 began at the Provincial House of the Salesians in Lima, Peru, involving rectors, pastoral animators, school principals and economists of the various Salesian communities in Peru. The first day of activity, Monday 20th of November 2023, was also attended by Father Hugo Orozco, Counselor for the Inter-America region. After the presentation of each delegation, Father Juan Pablo Alcas, Provincial of Peru, said, "The Lord wants us to be responsible for young people, and our Salesian identity urges us to place ourselves among young people. This is the first step to being in their midst." The Salesian Commission of Social Communications for the province of Thailand, THA, organized a meeting of social communication coordinators and correspondents from each Salesian work on 23rd of November at the provincial headquarters, with the aim of creating a broader understanding of their roles and responsibilities for smoother collaboration. During the meeting, in addition to getting to know each other better and sharing experiences, the participants attended a seminar on news writing led by Ms. Chenjit Charo, Engponchai, TV news anchor and a host. She provided suggestions for more professional news writing. Since 2021, the Salesian Social Communications Commission of Thailand has adjusted the role of the existing social communications coordinators and Salesian bulletin and newsletter correspondents to take on other tasks. In addition to sending news and helping with the writing of articles in the SB, they also act as media coordinators and animators within the group in the context in which they work. There are currently 33 coordinators and correspondents, both Salesians and lay people in Thailand, Cambodia and Laos. Some are still studying abroad in Italy and the Philippines. Such a system helps create a working network so that the Salesian Social Communications Commission of Thailand is more efficient and flexible. The Ordinary General Assembly of the RSB was held on the morning of Tuesday 21st of November 2023 at the main meeting room of the headquarters of the Salesian Network Brazil RSB in Brasilia. The event takes place annually in April and November from a charismatic, inter-congregational and legal perspective, with the aim of accompanying, evaluating and planning the actions of the network. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.